fast co-star for y'all boys. This is with the mufflers. But y'all about to see what I'm about to do though. It's pretty quiet, bro. Y'all about to see what I'm finna do though. Well, I'm gonna try to see if I can get some driving speeds real quick on the way there. Well, I got fat exhaust leak, bro. Gonna have to fix that. Bro, listen to this, bro. Sounds stupid, bro. Fat ass exhaust leak. Yeah, I definitely need to get that shit fixed. Sneak peek. This little favorite bridge right here. Shit sound nice, yes sir. But that was a little muffler, so imagine with it off. Stupid ass shit. A little driving vid, just to hear how it sounds. I like that sound right there though. I don't know, straight pipe. See, I would have recorded that little on-ramp pull, but shit. I didn't feel like it, bro. But what you call it? This shit got no drone right now, so you can hear me. I know that for a fact. Like shit, like right now, bro, it's a nice little cruiser. But I'm trying to make this shit to a different animal. What do you mean? This shit sounds like a little Prius right now. But I'm gonna get back to y'all niggas when I'm at the shop. Damn, that shit is too nice. That ass, boy, that shit got fat ass. What's up, man? Hey, I know you remember me with the Cadillac. Oh, I had to upgrade now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Trying to see what was looking under there. Yes, sir. Gonna fix that fat exhaust leak and get this thing sounding right. Like every time you go over a speed bump, that thing scrapes. Y'all didn't shoot this. What? You got a blue basketball court here. And a little, what is this? This shit is too clean. I'd be looking right here. What's up, bro? Is that your whip? Damn, that shit is too clean, bro. Just said, nah. Look good fat now. What is that? That nigga's telling me to sit down, but he got me fucked up. I'm about to disrespect. Dude. Damn, that thing slammed. What is this? God damn. This thing is nice. God, and it's shit, me. Better be stick to, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, y'all niggas did it right with this one. Whoever got the whip over here. Okay, that's pretty much it though. Damn, man, that shit too nice. Fuck me. Old man over there putting in work over there. Be getting me right every time. Damn, look how fat that kid is. Do y'all want to inspect some more? It's definitely stick too. Damn. This is a crazy ass. Don't worry, I'm not gonna steal anything now. I'm just looking. Oh, and he's a hooper. Stupid. Hey, what you mean? And got some tires. You ain't a hooper if you ain't got a ball. Fuck me. I got me one in my whip too. Shit. I might have to hoop right here. Shit. Y'all tripping, boy. Look at that kid. What does that say? HKS? Don't fuck around. A little double ding. Too nice. This should be crazy if it was swapped. It's under the hood. Had a little intercool. And smoking out the guy made. It's about that time. Shit, yeah, don't be scared to rev it, bro. Okay, that's what I'm about to ask. I'm trying to hear this bitch. Damn, that thing sounds nice. Yo, what? It's not bad at all. Damn. Damn, this thing sounds crazy. Oh my god. I'm gonna give it another one. Now I need to hear this bit. Oh yeah, that's what she needed, bro. Oh my god. Yes sir, yes sir. Damn, bro, that shit.
It was clean when I sold it.
Mm-hmm.
And that was.
Man, it's not too bad. It got the bride shifting off.
Oh yeah.
Yo, what the fuck? That shit got a fat ass turbo sound. Dude. What turbo blow off is that, bro?
That's the HKS blow off. It's got
That shit sounds crazy. Like, I thought it was gonna be loud because it got a fat HKS in this guy
fat
too.
HKS on it. Like that thing's huge.
But it's pretty quiet though.
SR20. Yeah, it's got that muffler. It's a very powerful. I mean, not very powerful, but like it's a thick muffler. So
Is this a custom kit or is it a bolt-on kit that you did?
Well, the turbo kit. These motors come stock turbo.
Yeah.
So technically it's stock, but it's an upgraded turbo.
Okay.
And then this all this charge piping was all custom to the mission motor radiator. Next is my headers, which are stock. It's hot. And then I'm gonna do an enclosed filter because you just need an enclosed filter on any.
What, like a little box thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just that way.
Get cold air.
Yeah. Not even just the cold air, but like.
Oh, you talking like water?
Dirt, stuff like that. Because like you can tell here, like even down here, there's like dirt.
Oh, yeah, because you don't have the under tray.
Yep.
I see that.
I don't know. The 350s have the
Under tray?
skid plate, whatever it's called. A lot of them do.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean it's got.
This thing is a different animal, boy. This shit is a different animal, bro. Shit. Bruh, this shit sound crazy, bruh. Damn, boy, this shit sound crazy. Yes, sir. It's not even that loud, really, boy. But it's pretty fucking loud, really. Yes, sir. What I come across, bro. Of course, when there's a stain, there's a Z nearby. Fuck me. Two of them things.